Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Bromley Council Tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Bromley Council Tax login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.bromley.gov.uk. Click on that link. Now you will be taken to the new interface. Now scroll down a bit. Here you can see the sign in form. You just need to enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on sign in button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. If you don't have any account of Bromley, just click on register to create a new account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.